In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a controller to BlueStacks 5. First, connect your controller to your computer using either a USB cable or Bluetooth. If you are using a USB connection, simply plug the cable into your controller and then into an available USB port on your computer. For Bluetooth, ensure your controller is in pairing mode, then search for it in your computer's Bluetooth settings. This step is crucial because establishing a connection is the foundation for using your controller in BlueStacks. Once connected, you will be ready to enhance your gaming experience. Next, open BlueStacks 5. You will notice the BlueStacks logo on your screen as the application loads. This may take a few moments depending on your computer's performance. Once it is open, you will find yourself on the BlueStacks home screen where you can access all your games and apps. It is important to wait for BlueStacks to fully load to ensure all features are operational. This step is straightforward, but it is essential as it prepares the environment for the next actions. If your controller is detected, you'll see a gamepad detected notification on your screen. This notification confirms that BlueStacks has recognized your controller, which is a positive sign. If you do not see this notification, double-check your connections and ensure your controller is compatible. This step is significant because it verifies that your controller is ready for use within the emulator. If it appears, you can proceed with confidence. From there, click the Settings icon on the side toolbar. This icon looks like a gear and is typically located on the right side of the BlueStacks window. Clicking on this icon will bring up the Settings menu, where you can customize various aspects of your gaming experience. Navigating to Settings is important as it allows you to configure the gamepad options according to your preferences. Now, select the Gamepad tab within the Settings menu. This tab is specifically designed for configuring controller settings, and it will present you with various options tailored for gamepad users. By clicking on this tab, you are taking a crucial step to ensure that your controller functions optimally with BlueStacks. You'll find several options that can enhance your gaming experience. Make sure gamepad detection is turned on. This setting ensures that your controller is actively recognized by BlueStacks, allowing it to function properly with your games. If this is not enabled, your controller may not work as expected. This little adjustment keeps your gaming experience seamless and enjoyable. Under Gamepad Input Settings, choose Auto, On, or Off. Auto is the recommended option as it allows BlueStacks to automatically detect the best settings for your controller. The On option uses the game's native controller support if available, while Off uses BlueStacks' custom gamepad controls. Selecting the right option here is vital as it directly impacts how your controller interacts with different games. Click Save Changes to apply your settings. This step ensures that all adjustments you made are stored securely. Without saving, your settings will revert to default the next time you launch BlueStacks. You will see a confirmation appear indicating that your changes have been successfully saved, providing you with reassurance that everything is set up correctly. Now, launch your game. You can do this from the BlueStacks home screen by selecting the game you wish to play. If the game doesn't support controllers natively, click the Game Controls icon, which looks like a keyboard. This will open the Controls Editor, allowing you to create or edit your gamepad mappings. This option is particularly useful for games that do not have built-in controller support. You can customize the controls to suit your preferences and ensure a smooth gaming experience. Note that BlueStacks 5 supports many popular controllers, including Xbox One, Xbox Series X/S, PS4, PS5, Logitech, PDP, and Redgear controllers. Most controllers recognized by Windows should work, which gives you flexibility in choosing your gaming setup. If a game does not support controllers, you can always create custom gamepad controls using the Controls Editor. This versatility allows you to adapt your gaming experience to your liking, making your gameplay more enjoyable.